Hey y'all, welcome to our channel MF Cooking. Today we're making onion rings with zesty sauce. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you would need a large yellow onion, lemon, an egg, flour, panko breadcrumbs, sugar, white vinegar, horseradish, mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, chicken bouillon, Worcestershire sauce, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. We're going to begin by making the zesty sauce. In a bowl, combine a half cup of mayo, 2 teaspoons of horseradish, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 2 teaspoons of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate. Now let's get started on our onion rings. Cut thick slices of onion. Remove the layers of the onion. For the wet batter, combine 2/3 cups of flour, 2/3 cup of water, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. In a separate bowl, add 1 cup of flour and season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. In another bowl, add 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs and season with the same seasonings. Coat onions in flour, then wet batter, then panko. Place on a wire rack and allow to rest for 10 minutes. Fry for 3 minutes or until golden. And there you have it, onion rings. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.